We now have Coach Valentino with us. Coach, first game, first win, congratulations. Before the game, you talked about the winning mindset with all the preparations you guys made, go to the conference, your thoughts on how your players showed up in your first game.
Yeah, first of all, I'd like to say thank you to God for this game, and just happy that everybody stepped up, everybody played with their mindset of winning the game, and they never give up. And hopefully, this good start would get continue more games to come.
And are we open the floor for questions?
Coach, congratulations. Coach, ano naman sabi mo si Kenter right from the beginning talagang pakita ng kanyang opensa.
Wow, just ang sabi ko naman din sa before the game, Kendall is a great teammate. When he came here, he studied who he's going to play for, and just happy that we had him. And I hope that we continue doing what KB, just follow KB, and I think we're going to go far, as far as we can go with KB around.
Kenter, welcome to the PBA, and to say big welcome for you right from the beginning. You showed your offense to set the tone for this game.
Say that one time.
You set the tone for this game with your hot offense right from the start.
I would say just being aggressive. Trusting Coach Pat and Clint. I feel like if I'm aggressive on the court, I give my team the best chances to win the game. I got a little tired in the second quarter, but I found other ways to impact the game without scoring. So I feel like that was part of the reason we won the game.
First, was it a motivation sa inyo na you lost nyo na 56 points before against Emerson?
Yeah, I know it's at the back of our minds. But, I think that's the past of it. I know we have to prepare well, especially with what Coach Yang is doing with Ranger Shine. We want to imitate what they're doing also. Try to be very aggressive from start to finish. And I think we did that part. We've been aggressive and we played together. As far as I'm concerned, the assist number is great for us, and that's about how we started, and I hope that we can continue playing together.
And you're familiar with the PBA before, and you played with Justin Crowley, Johnny Williams. We're also facing him over here once again.
My thoughts are facing Brown. I actually played against him 2 years ago in NW. He actually won the championship in NW, but Justin Brown is a great player, and I know he's a legend in the PBA. Hopefully I get to play against him this season. It'll be a good matchup, and yeah.
Kenter, the way you perform tonight, is this kind of things amount or just taking it game by game?
Take it game by game. Even though we won that game, we still got a lot to work on. We just can't get too hard, get too low, and continue to work.
Mas pagkagulat ko sa result ng game.
Hindi naman, kasi I think he had a great off-season. We talked about it, how we will get back this conference, and I think everybody has the motivation coming into this conference, and with KP around, he's a great help for us, being a great leader out there, and we hope that that we just continue working hard and we improve more in the upcoming.
Coach, siyempre, last conference, you were umalit na midway the conference. Ngayon, you have the full conference. Ngayon, siguro for you, wala na excuses for the adjustment here.
Yeah, but of course, there's no more excuses for. But the thing is, we need a lot more work to be done. I know it's just a start, and it's a long way happy that we won our first game. It's a good start. That's what we want. Having to win the first game. And, you know, follow up na lang namin yung mga susunod namin games. To be better and just play and enjoy the game.
Coach, set aside ko muna ngayon yung trade rumors ba regarding Cedric and Christian.
I think that's all the rumors. You know, I think management has bumped me up so much that you know we wanted to get us a team and forget about the rumors. Just play the game right now. Which what we have right now is what we have for the rest of the season.
Are you related to Charles Barkley or
No relation at all.
hopefully?
No.
KB is Kobe Bryant.
No, kids